let's just put a nice piano part to what we've got. So we'll start off with a nice repetitive piano sound. This is a very common thing to do in pop music, is just playing the chord and repeating it. So if you've got your C chord, remember we're playing on the C chord, to a G chord, A minor, F. You repeat that over and over again. Sometimes at the end, before you go into the next section, which is a transition, you go C, G, straight to the F. Now this brings you into the next part of the song, which is F, G, C, A minor, F, G, straight to A minor this time. Then you do it all again. F, G, C, A minor, F, G. Now here you stay on the G to get you back into the verse again. And then you're back into the verse, which is C, G, A minor and to F. Now, so we've got a nice verse and chorus there. Later on we might try other parts of songs and stuff like that, but for now we'll just stick with this. Okay. So here we go, repetitive piano sound. So you're just going to take the chords and repeat them. You'll find different octave sounds better. So for instance, if we play it down here, might sound a little bit too low. If we play it up here, might be a bit too high. Here, now all of those places actually sound fine. They're good positions. Now this one is probably the best for my hearing. Now this one here sounds the best to me in that position, sort of a middle position. If you go down too low, then it's going to sound no good to most people. See, it's just getting too muddy down there, and if you go also, this keyboard doesn't have enough keys to go up there, but if you go up too high it's going to sound too tinkly and you won't get that sound that you want. So anyway, here we go, continuing. Let's work on this repetitive piano sound to see how it sounds. As you can see there, using inversions, I can get some really nice sounds. See, if I just play normally, C, G, A minor to F, it gets a bit boring, but using those other inversions, even just two notes, see those, they're still notes from the chords, but they're really nice, and you can work on that. What you've learnt from previous DVDs you can put into here and get those inversions happening. Okay, so we've got a nice repetitive piano sound there. Okay, here we go. Let's try an arpeggio. So we're just going to arpeggio on those chords that we've got. Here's the arpeggio that I'm going to use. So we're going G, C, E, back to G, up to G, back to G, like that. And I'm using that pattern for each chord. So there's the first chord, C, that one. Then the next one is G. The next one is A minor. And there I'm going. And then the next one is F. Okay, here we go. Now, if that's a little bit too advanced for you and you can't get that happening with your fingers, we'll go on to a little bit more of a simpler one, just a simple arpeggio. So on the C chord we're just going to go and use that for each one. So you're just going up the chord, and then with G chord, G, B, D, G. And using that for each chord. So here we go. Okay, so as you can see, just a simple arpeggio sounds great.